We found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze. And birds would sing on the banks of a narrow stream. These memories will stay with me. Our way to a hill beside the sea. We soar in the air and sail on our feet. We felt the sun as it burned upon our skin. These memories will stay with me. Now I'm far away. These memories still remain. Now I'm far away. You stay with me the same. We ran So fast up the mountain as the sun fell low. We climbed so high to chase the lights sent from the sunset glow. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. We stood and looked out as the colors in the sky ran wild. In that moment, I felt like I was seeing through the eyes of a child. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. Seek to reach the heights of the Alpine. Seize the golden light when the sun shines. Realize time is a precious gift. So make these moments last. I found time flies like a camera flashing in my eyes. So blind, I turned and the moment simply passed me by. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. Seek to reach the heights of the Alpine. Seize the golden light when the sun shines. Realize time is a precious gift. So make these moments last. Seek to reach the heights of the Alpine. Seize the golden light when the sun shines. Realize time is a precious gift. So make these moments last.
There's a place that I like to go, where the air's quiet and the dandelions glow, and the summer there is warm and known. Cricket chorus fills the forest. I see the moon's big beautiful shine. Right down the middle of the country road line. And some friends of mine are waiting at home. And they have a fire there already gone. My head humming like a car at night. While the birds sleep and all the moths are in flight. Looking up to see the satellite. Get a chance to think about how you were right.
As I carry my feet with the sun beating down, my memories come back to you. You would be here, we'd be side by side, talking about what's new. Although it's unclear if you're far, if you're near, I'll always feel home with you. The seconds, the minutes, and the hours pass by. It comes back, oh how I wish this were true. In every twist, in every turn, we will learn. It's another stage, another phase, another page of a story that's turned.